This is what it's all about. Welcome to the 424 Pitbike class. Now if you're looking for fun racing, this is where it's at. The Pitbike class isn't just competitive, we're there to have some fun. I've saved my best clip for last, my longest wheelie. It's at the end of this video, so you're going to want to stick around. Otherwise, here's some highlights from the weekend.
Lens is clean, let's go! Yeah, baby!
And when I use the word competitive, I mean full-grown men on kids' bikes. How competitive can it be? We're not out here to break speed records, we're out here to break fun records, because we are having a blast. We're out here at Lakoa Lodge, making a weekend out of it, but the racing is just the morning. It's so nice to get your group of mates together, hop on two wheels, and go have some throttle therapy.
Bit fucking bumpy, mate! Oh, boys! I'm having the best day with you two! Woo! Let's go! Go, 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 go!
What I found racing the 424 over the years is that it's a nice family-styled event. Everybody's welcome, everybody has some fun. There's a pit lane, so after your laps you can just pull into the pits, relax. We sometimes even just have something to drink, have a little bit of a chill, and then go hit some more laps.
Camera's clean! Factory racing!
If you've seen a CRF 110F, you already know they're low down to the ground, and this is exactly why I run a skid plate.
Yo. If I didn't, I'm sure I would have done a case in there.
Check out this deflection. I can literally fit my finger under there. That's crazy. But it's definitely done its job.
Just drop me a DM over there to order your own one over there, okay, right? I hope you guys had fun in this video. If you want to join, there's a 424 this weekend, the 17th of August at Blue Groove. I'll see you there.